In this video, we're gonna teach Leo how to get instantly better by learning how to master the change of pace. So we're gonna go 3 steps. One is how to play slow, how to play fast, and how to go from slow to fast. Nice, oh, good commitment. Now you're actually a threat. First thing that we need to do is you need to learn how to play slow. And the goal of playing slow is to move as little as possible. I want you to just play a few points with Franklin, and I want to see what you will do if you're just trying to move as little as possible. Okay, 2 more. Okay, 1 more. That's step number 1, moving as little as possible. We're gonna add a half step onto that. Moving as little as possible without dying. So when you play slow, it's really crucial, even though you're taking 1 step everywhere, that you have enough time to always be ready. If anything, that's what you're looking for. You're always in position. So you're not winning any points. Your only goal here is to move as little as possible. Show me what that looks like. That one, do you see how that could have put you out of position? Yeah. It came up here, and then you pull. If he was just a little faster and smashed there, you would be out of balance. A better tempo for that, you come up here, you could have waited a little bit and then hit up. Okay, so you have to control the tempo so you're never out of position right now. Balance, good. So do you realize what made you out of balance there? Do you realize?
Clear and coming back.
Your clear was okay. When you start getting out of balance is when you hit that straight half smash. Because that's a smash where you couldn't follow up to that properly. So your choice of shots helps you stay in balance too. Okay, if you don't have time, you need to hit slower. Last 2. Okay, all right. So right now, you're doing this so-so. This is probably gonna be one of the hardest parts for you is how to slow your opponent down. Because most of the opponents playing against you are probably gonna be faster than you. If you can't slow them down, you're gonna be doomed if they're the same level as you. Step number 2 is now going fast. Right now, your fast is not fast enough. And once you start playing someone a little bit better, if you don't commit to your fast shot, they're gonna hit it back no matter what. Your first 3 shots, I want to see you are control, 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 and then 4th shot, no matter what, is all out commit. You can fly away if you want. Lose balance, but go 100% for it. Let me see what that looks like. Sure. So we need to focus on when it's time to win the points, you have to win. Because when we're going fast, we've made a decision that we're gonna win this point no matter what, especially if you commit to a pure fast one, which you need to do. Because once you commit to out of position, you can't come back. So I wanna see that your commitment is far enough.
Yeah.
So you're not just losing a point.
For sure.
Good. Okay. That's the one. This is the exercise where you're gonna make some mistakes, but right now I wanna see the clear spectrum of slow and fast before we work on everything in the middle. There's some scenarios where you wanna use this, which is like more in like 19 all tighter scenarios, like I need to try to win this point a little bit faster. Okay, so 1, 2, and then no matter what, the 3rd one, I wanna see you go for it. This one, come on. Nice, that's a good one. That's winner. 1, 2, 3. Good. Look at that. Even though you're completely off balance, you made a mistake, but your willingness to go win that point won you the point. Yeah, the 3rd shot, no matter what, I want you to see you commit to whatever winning that point looks like. Even if it's on the defense, if you're like this, hit like really try to win that point. 1. 2, 3. Good, very good. Right now, because you actually have fast and slow built into your gameplay a little bit right now. It's just not fast enough and not slow enough. You could play a little bit more controlled and more in balance. In terms of the fast, you could also inject pace faster, have more of a commitment, but that also depends how ready you are. But let's just break it down into the easiest way, which is, and it's not depending on what shot they hit. You need to know before they hit the shot. That's how you go fast. If your opponent's out of position and you're in position, you go fast, right? If you're out of position and they're in position, you go slow. So if you're like this and they're like this, then you have to hit slow. That's pretty much it. Can you identify it correctly? We don't know. That's the hard part. But you just have to have a sense of like, when they're out of position, I'm in position, this one, I'm gonna commit, okay? So I wanna see, you only have those two options right now. You're either going slow or you're going fast. Good. Very good. Good slow. Yeah. Slow. 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 Fast. Yeah. Do you know why that one was supposed to be fast? Mainly was he was losing balance, right? Badminton is actually just a game of balance. You're pushing each other's balance back and forth, okay? When he starts losing balance, that's when you need to win. And these shots, although I know it's tiring to hit one, if you are able to do this, you're gonna keep beating me consistently. Because these are winners that you usually let go. Okay, last few.
Too fast.
Yeah, your serve is too fast, right?
Yeah.
Even your serves count as a shot.
Oopsies. Yeah.
By hitting it like that, or that shot, you did not get back into position, right? So what does that mean? If you're getting it this low, probably don't hit a loopy shot. Either lift it, or you need to make sure he doesn't get it high. Nice. Yeah, you're never in balance enough. Here, let me show you some examples. Slow, fast. One more. When you do this one more time, I want you to actually call slow or fast before he hits it.
Cool.
Okay, last one. Fast. Cross-court block. Anyways, try it. Last chance. And then we're done.
Slow. Slow. Fast. Fast.
Nice. Oh, good commitment. This is something that needs work, but even from this, I can already tell the massive improvement that you have here. Because now you're actually a threat. But can you tell the difference? When you're making the decision is a problem right now.
Yeah.
Well, a few problems. You don't go slow enough, you don't go fast enough, and your decision. All three problems, really.
Yes.
But the going slow enough, do you know how to get there?
Yes.
You just have to make sure you're always in position, right?
Yeah.
Going fast enough is just when you decide to commit, you're like 100%, especially for you. If you want to play slower or faster, it's knowing how to anticipate. And that's the decision-making part. Anyways, practice this. I'm wondering if you come back next time, you're gonna beat me with this. If you master this, you're gonna beat like most people, okay? This is your biggest weakness right now. Yeah.
For sure, I've got to work on that.
Okay, all right. If you guys enjoyed this video, we're not gatekeeping anything for you. Well, maybe a little bit. We're gatekeeping our Discord chat, which you can chat with us. So if you want to join, please support us channel by joining our YouTube memberships.